Chengdu not only offers many things to do in the city, but you can also take amazing day trips outside of the city as well. Qingshan Mountain, which is considered the birthplace of Taoism, and Mount Yimaishan Scenic Area, including Lishan Giant Buddha, which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Chengdu is an officially recognized UNESCO City of Gastronomy. It is UNESCO's first ever city of gastronomy in Asia. Some famous dishes include Sichuan hot pot, mapu tofu, which is bean curd, Sichuan dumplings in chili oil, and dan dan noodles. Sichuan food is famous for its hot and spicy flavor. For the most part, it all contains Sichuan peppers and chili peppers. Be prepared to experience a different kind of Chinese language when visiting Sichuan. The dialect is known as Sichuanese and is sometimes difficult to understand and tell apart. Home to the Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding. The giant panda is a Chinese national treasure and is one of the rarest animals in the world. Visit Chengdu during the fall for the best experience. You avoid the hot, sweltering summers, which include many tourists. You also avoid the gloomy winters and the rainy season in the spring. I found the weather in October-November to be the most comfortable.